Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You can legally monetize Creative Commons videos if the license permits commercial use. Read the license terms closely before using any clip commercially. Attribution requirements must be followed exactly as the license states each time. Platforms and revenue splits vary widely, often ranging from 40% to 70% to creators depending on distribution agreements. Use content that allows derivatives when you plan edits or remixes for value. Keep clear records and report income for taxes, including Form 1099 when issued by a platform or sell ad-supported compilations, playlists, or long-form remixes on monetized channels that accept Creative Commons content. License custom edits to brands or creators for fixed fees or revenue share agreements. Offer exclusive versions or high-resolution files for direct sale or via stock sites. Use memberships, affiliate links, and direct sales to diversify revenue streams and reduce reliance on ad revenue. Track earnings from each channel separately and measure which forms generate the most revenue per hour invested. Attribute properly and preserve original license text when required by the creator in every description or credit field. Avoid non-commercial-only content if you intend to sell or run ads on it, because that violates the license terms. When licenses require share-alike, release your derivatives under compatible Creative Commons terms. Scale by batching edits, outsourcing tagging, and reinvesting earnings into promotion and better assets. Maintain a simple spreadsheet of sources, licenses, and earnings to resolve disputes quickly and prove
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.